Good day. My name is Jeremy Edward Janisio in P6124 EDEG-D. Today, I'm about to explain one of the example problem in projectile motion, zero launch angle. So here's the problem. A man encounters a space between two ice elevations. The elevation at the right is 2.74 meters lower and has a distance of 4.10 meters from the left. The climber gets a running start and jumps in the horizontal direction to cross the space. So, yun na nga yung problem natin. So, letter A. What is the minimum speed needed by the climber to safely cross? And V. If the climber's speed is 6 meters per second, how far does the climber land? So, yung climber daw ay tumalon dito sa initial position, which is x sub O is equal to 0. And initial position at vertical, which is the height, is eto yun, and which is 2.74 meters. 2.74 meters, ayan yun. And the landing site in letter A question is 4.10 meters. 4.10 meters. Ang layo sa original position, ito yan. Ayan. So, ang y naman natin is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 0. So, for letter A, we will use this equation, x is equal to b sub o t. So, ayan. Pero, solving for time, we have y. Y is equal to h minus 1 half g times t square. So, ayan. So, yung y natin ay 0. So, cancel na natin to. 0 na yan. Solving for time, we have 1 half g t square is equal to h. So, ayan. Cross multiply. So, ito. Ayan. Cross multiply natin. Yung 2 mapupunta sa kabila. So, ito na ang lalabas dyan. G t square is equal to 2h. So, divide natin both sides sa g. So, ayan, g. Divide natin. Cancel. So, ayan, ang magiging time na natin ngayon dito ay is equal to square root of 2h over g. So, ayan, nakuha natin time, So, gagamitin natin ang equation na to. So, ang lalabas dyan ay x is equal to square root of 2h over g. So, i-cross multiply natin siya. So, x is equal to b sub o times the square root of 2h over square root of g. So, ayan. Ayan nga. Cross multiply. So, we will have x is equal to square root of g over square root of 2h equals b sub o. So, ayan. So, yan na nga yun, So, solve na natin siya. Ito na ang kanyang kalalabasan. B sub o is equal to x, which is 4.10 meters. 10 meters times the square root of 9.81 meters per second square over 2 times 2.74 meters. So, ayan. So, solve natin. So, 9.81 times over 2 times 2.74. Ang magiging sagot dyan ay 1.1137. So, 4.10 times 1.337 is equal to b sub o is equal to 5.49 meters per second. So, ayan na. So, this is our minimum speed. Okay, minimum speed our climber needs for it to safely cross the horizontal distance of 4.10 meters and the height of 2.74 meters. So, for letter B, we will use the same equation. So, x equals b sub o times the square root of 2h over g. So ayan. So substituting the values, x is equal to 6 meters per second times the square root of 2 times 2.74 meters over 9.81 meters per second square. So ayan na nga, solve na natin siya. At ang makukuha nating sagot ay x is equal to 4.48 meters. So ayan. So ganito kalayo ang maaabot. Ito kalayo ang maaabot na niya from the starting position using 6 meters per second. So ayan na siya. Ito na yung sagot natin sa letter A at sa letter B.